Alright, fourth graders, today we're going to be looking at the story, How Do They Do That? And it is an informational text, and I would like you to have this read before you come to group today. Now, if you're one of those people who you don't necessarily like having the story read to you, you don't have to listen. You can just read the text on your own. Or if you're one of those people who like to have the book open while it's read to you, that's okay too. We are on page 218 of our text. Alright, so I'm going to let the video begin.
Lesson 7. Informational Text. Genre. Informational text, such as this magazine article, gives facts and examples about a topic. Text focus. Photographs and captions. Informational text generally includes photographs. A caption explains what an individual photograph shows and often includes additional information about the topic. How Do They Do That? By Alan Giles. Today's movies contain all sorts of make-believe characters and dangerous or seemingly impossible sequences. How do movie makers create such characters and actions? How do they make them look believable? They use special effects. There are many different kinds of special effects used in movies. Some examples include computer animation, blue screen or green screen filming, and model making. Others are makeup effects, stunt effects, and sound effects. The whole movie industry changes as new special effects techniques are developed. New techniques lead to more exciting possibilities. The movie Jurassic Park won awards for special effects. Director Steven Spielberg and his team of special effects artists needed to make a variety of dinosaurs seem to come to life. They worked for 3 years to update old special effects technologies and to develop new ones for the film. Imagine you are a movie director. The movie calls for an actress to hang from the side of a skyscraper. You don't want to risk the actress's life by asking her to dangle hundreds of feet in the air. So how do you film this in a way that looks realistic? You use a blue screen or green screen. Filmmakers first film the background scene. In this case, they film the side of a skyscraper. Then, in the movie studio, they film the actress hanging from a rope in front of a blue or green screen. So now there are two pieces of film. One has the background scene of the skyscraper. One has the actress. Then the special effects department uses special filters to block out the green background to create a silhouette of the actress. The silhouette is then placed on the skyscraper background. Finally, they add the film of the actress in her silhouette. If you've ever seen a weather map on the news, you've seen the result of the green screen process. One team of special effects artists and engineers worked to create a lifelike T-Rex. First, the 20-foot tall creature was made from a fiberglass frame and 3,000 pounds of clay. This was used to create a mold that was filled with latex to create the flexible skin. It was mounted on a simulator machine. The T-Rex's movements were created through a computer control board. Another movie special effect is computer-generated imagery, or CGI. This technology has seen great advancements in the past 20 years. Some films, such as the Shrek movies, are entirely computer-generated. Others, such as Avatar, combine computer-generated effects with live actors. One of the most popular CGI effects is the motion capture technique used in Avatar. An actor wears special equipment with sensors placed at various points around the body. The actor's movements are captured or copied by special software. These movements are transformed into realistic computer simulations. All these special effects technologies allow filmmakers to create movies that never could have been created before. Filmmakers can now create an unlimited variety of characters, landscapes, and even virtual worlds through the use of special effects. As special effects techniques continue to advance, so will the ability of movies to make the impossible seem possible. The red lights on this special suit help the computer record what the actor does. The movements of the robot on the screen are exactly the same as the actor's movements.